Hi class, happy Monday. I hope you had a good weekend. I want to just give you a little introduction to what this week is going to be all about. During this week, we are working towards the big assignments that are due actually 1 week from today, right? And those would be the information literacy annotated bibliography, which is worth a good percentage of your course grade, as well as then doing a presentation on what you've learned about your topic. For many of you, you turned in assignment 9 on Friday where you identified a topic. For a lot of you, especially those with career topics, I asked you to find either a more specific topic or to Zoom with me to talk about your topic. So please make sure you do that before you go too far into your planning. I want to make sure you have a good and really good researchable topic before you move forward. So for then most of you moving forward in chapter 9, you basically just told me what it is that you were going to talk about: college success and single parents and Black males, or which particular group you're going to look at in terms of college success, or what aspect of a career you're going to look at. So you identified your topic in assignment 9. Assignment 10 is about just planning and thinking about where you're going to get your research. Assignment 11 is that fact that I want you to start researching, right? To find 5 articles, to read them, to annotate them, annotate meaning write in the margin in this case, and then to do the actual annotation for the annotated bibliography with 3 parts. That takes time, and so I don't want you waiting and becoming overwhelmed this weekend with things to do. So this week is about trying to manage your time and to work on those projects. So assignment 11 kind of forces you to get started by asking you about, asking you to complete 2 annotated bibliography entries. That's the works cited with the evaluation, the summary, and the role of the source. Then assignment 12 talks a little bit about the presentation you'll be doing. And unfortunately, because these 2 assignments go together, I was going to have one due Friday and one due Monday, but I decided to give you the weekend just because they're both big assignments. So for assignment 12, it talks about the presentation, and it asks you to think about how you're going to organize your presentation, and also asking you about citing sources in MLA style, right? And so for this one, I want to make sure you're citing information properly to use in your slides. So it asks you to find one quote or statistic that shows your issue is really a problem. Write down the quote or paraphrase the information and cite it properly from the source that it came from. 2 is to find a source regarding the causes or effects of your issue and put a quote for that or a paraphrase, again, cited properly. And the third one is one last quote about either another cause and effect or solution. And again, make sure you're citing it properly in MLA. I have an example of a presentation that I did on assignment 14. I'll do a actual presentation. I'll give the presentation the way you should in class, so that's going to be something that you should look at. So this is assignment 12, the one that makes you look at presentations. Then if we go, assignment 13 and 14 are both due on Monday. So that's the bibliography with the 5 sources, and it's the presentation that you've recorded. There are videos all through these that I hope are really helpful to you. Make sure you're watching the videos, and if you have questions, please get back to me with those questions. Once we're past this unit, then we're going to go into a final unit about financial literacy and the final exam. I think I'll do one more video about annotated, the annotated bibliography. And if you have questions and you're able to come, remember that on Tuesday and Thursday at 10, I have open Zoom times. Otherwise, schedule a separate meeting with me, especially if you look at what my response to your assignment 9, and I said, make sure you talk to me about your topic before moving forward. I think that's it. Have a good week. As always, check in with me if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye-bye.